in Bella Helen Resort with my co-presenters. So,
Yes.
Dustin, Joanne, and Jay,
Hi.
Sir Ben, and
Hi.
Sir Jamie. So we are in Bella Helen Resort. So we are enjoying.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
Let's
let's
go.
go.
I'm gonna tour you in Bella Resort.
Okay, this is one of the cottage here, the beautiful cottage. Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, there's oh chandelier. 1, 2, 3. From the chandelier. Okay, next. Here we have the little Kobo. Kobo. Little Kobo.
Boss, dalawa.
Yes,
Ayan,
po.
here. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go enter. Okay, you're over here now. Yes, Kobo. Oh my God.
Come to the Kobo.
Yeah. Oh my God, dito maganda talaga ang resort dito.
You guys, if you want to swim, so go in Bella Helen Resort.
Okay, may tambo pa dito. No need for you to clean.
If you're finding a resort,
Yes. Well, may mga
You're
playground din
always
dito,
welcome
guys.
here.
So may mga bata
Yes.
We
children.
have seesaw
You're also
here.
Ziso.
Okay, let's go, guys. I'm so very mainit.
They're enjoying.
Yes.
Okay, actually we have season here.
You guys, if you want to swing, have summertime, so you can visit Bella Helen Resort with your family, so you can enjoy.
Yes. Okay, let's go here, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna tour you in ours, in the swimming pool of Bella Helen Resort.
Here.
Let's go,
Okay,
guys.
please here.
Okay.
One,
Let's go to the
two,
most
three.
highlight of this resort. Okay, go
Welcome to the swimming pool.
Yes,
Okay,
I'm gonna
let's
tour you
go.
in our.
The first swimming pool.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the pool of
Yeah, this is 6 feet pool.
beautiful pool.
Pool.
Come on, guys.
You
Come
guys.
on, guys, let's go.
Again.
Hey, highlight me here. Ayan, may mga resting mga upuan po dito. Truly.
Yes.
Actually,
You want to
there are
rest
2 to 8
during your
Yes.
swimming time, so you can
Doon
have rest.
Little
Ayan, sa mga babies, age
3 years old
3
na
years
ba?
old,
So,
3 years old hanggang 12.
3 years
Now
old.
we have Oh my God, kala nyo malalim pero mababaw lang ito. Diba? Yes.
It's John!
Oh, okay. Dito na tayo. May
so slide.
Ayan,
So if
so
you
we
want to
have
slide,
here
grab your slides.
Yes.
Di ba makapag-slide?
Slide. Oh my God. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Yung mga rooms.
Slide. Ito na.
Guys,
Ikaw din. Slide.
no.
Ito pa kasi sa
Okay,
bato.
next slide na ako. Oh my God, ang sarap sa
Doon sa
Ang
bato,
lakas, sir.
sumapa ka.
Sige na, guys. Sige na kayo.
Slide.
Slide kayo, guys. Enjoy.
Later, we're gonna show you the different rooms here.
Woo! Ready to go!
We are enjoying. I can slide. Ayan na, guys.
Ikot tayo, ikot.
Yung mga
Ikot.
rooms. Yung mga rooms na.
Ayan, may mga rooms po tayo
Yes.
doon.
Ayan po, ikot tayo. Enjoy. Ikot para sa inyo. We are enjoying here. Bella Helen Resort.
Ang lalim na, my God. Oh my God.
This pool is for
Guys,
adults.
ikot-ikot lang.
Ikot lang.
Bulaga.
Ikot lang. Ikot.
Ikot, ikot.
Okay, pila-pila.
Hello kay mother.
Ayan, pila-pila tayo. Ha. Ayan, that's all for today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I hope you can visit Bella Helen Resort here.
Yes.
Panghulo Malabos. Ay, sorry.